Sungka is believed to have originated from a game called Kongkak. This game that used small shells from the Sultante of Malacca and was played by their royalties. It has become popular in the entire kingdom, and since it was a city of trade, travelers from Southeast Asia region brought this game in the nearby lands, including the country of the Philippines. As for the origin of the term sungka, historians found relics of an identical game at a stream in Indonesia. This stream is widely known to voyagers as the Red River. The sungka game, as Filipino play today, may have been brought by Indonesians when they migrated to the Philippines. Sungka was first described by the Jesuit priest Father Jose Sanchez in his Dictionary of the Visaya language, Cebuano, in 1692 as Kunggit. The Aklanang people still call the game called Kunggit. Father Jose Sanchez, who had arrived on the Philippines in 1643, wrote that as the game was played with seashells on a wooden boat-like board. Father Jose Sanchez, born Josef Sansini 1616 to 1692 in Trieste, Holy Roman Empire of the German nation, is known for founding the town of Hagna on Bohol, which is today famous for its rich historical heritage. Sungka is played by Filipinos, both young and old. This traditional game, which became a witness of the Philippine civilization across the centuries, has become their pastime. May it be with friends or with their families. Although it originally started as an amusement for ladies, it improves the mathematical thinking and teaches patience and observation skills. Rules. Each player has 49 game pieces, shells, marbles, pebbles, or seeds, equally distributed to each of their holes. 7 pieces in every hole, except the heads, which remain empty. For the first turn, a player may decide which of the 7 holes directly in front of him, on his side of the board, he wishes to begin with.
Sungka is one of the famous and favorite indoor activities of Filipinos in past years. And how to play this sungka? We have here sungka board, which used to play sungka. This sungka board is made of wood. It has 14 small holes and 2 big holes in both end sides. These big holes is what we call the home or the bahay. We also have here bato. We use this bato in this sungka board. You can use also pebbles, shells, and small stones. First, we have to put 7 pieces of bato in every and each small holes in this sungka board. Okay, let's start putting the bato inside the hole. Let's start with this one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to fill in all these small holes with 7 bato. Okay, and I forgot to remind you that in this game, we will be moving in a counterclockwise movement, or in this direction, like the movement rather of the hand of the clock. So I will pick again set of bato in my side and continuously moving counterclockwise and putting one hole of 1 pieces of bato. And then I stop here. So I will get all this bato and move again counterclockwise. Okay, I done here. So this is the next bato that I will get. You just remember that when you stop on that hole and your last bato is putting here or put here in this hole, you will get all of this bato that you will use for other movement or the other round that you will make. Okay, this game is continuously until all of this bato are here in the bahay, both bahay. Then the goal of this game is the first or the player who collect more bato is considered the winner. So let's continue the game and see who will be the winner.
A few moments later.
Okay, and now the game is over. And all the bato is already here into home or bahay. So, want to know who wins in this game? And I'm proudly say that I win over my competitor. I have more than bato than her. Oh, so what are you waiting for? Discover the enjoyment that this sungka play will give you. Try to play sungka. It's just that easy and this is so enjoyable, promise. So, what are you waiting for? Try and enjoy the sungka game.